Hello, we are your darlings,
Levi
and Sarah. In this episode, we will be taking you to Kapampangan, Zambales. For the first time ever, we are joined by different riders based in Pampanga, and they are called the Pampanga Gravel Grinders.
And of course, we celebrate my darling Sarah's birthday at Club Monet Beach Resort by Cocotel in Kapampangan, Zambales.
At syempre, marami pang ibang nangyari. So let's all watch this.
Here we come, Pampanga!
Okay, ride out na! Before heading out to Zambales, we will be stopping over in Pampanga para less pagod.
We are now in EDSA and hindi pa ganun ka-traffic because it's just 6:30 pero I can see it's building up. We'll do the shortest route as possible and we can't wait to meet a darling, si June. Imi-meet namin sila sa Apalit, then they'll ride with us hanggang Lubao.
It's breakfast time! Take note, 6:55 pa lang. At gutom na ako.
Nice. Nagulat kami, nasa Bulacan na pala kami. Bigla lang meron kami nakitang sign na may kawayan. Pero Bulacan is a big city. So, matagal-tagal pa bago kami makatagos to Pampanga. Ang dami na namin napag-usapan, pero nasa Bulacan pa rin kami.
Isa lang ang masasabi ko. Ang haba ng MacArthur Highway. Super!
Happy birthday, darling!
Wednesday pa!
Advance happy birthday.
Oh, thank you!
What's your wish?
To enjoy my birthday!
Yay! Of course. Wish granted.
Touchdown, Apalit, Pampanga.
So finally, we're here sa meetup place namin sa Best Chicken. Pinag-prepare daw kami ng executive chef ng plant-based pasta. And June, darling, is here!
Hello, darlings.
Do you wanna greet anyone?
Shout out to my family.
Palagi mo daw siyang payagan. Naka-uniform sila, guys. Ang cute-cute. Hello!
Di ba sinabing may uniform kayo? Maka-uniform sana kami.
Naka-uniform na kayo.
Naka-uniform mo kami. Hello! Thank you.
Si Sir Rayburn. Hello. Isa sa founders ng Pampanga Gravel Grinder.
What?
Hello!
Of course, Jeno Cuenco.
Oh, yeah!
Like, kung nakikita po siya.
Matindi to.
Si Pierce. Pwede rin kanya yung PGG kasi Pierce Gravel Grinder. Sinasabi ko sa kanila.
Thank you, Chef.
Bakit ka ganun, Chef? Bago mo lang silang nakilala, masyado mo silang ini-spoil.
Selos ka naman.
Hindi, kasi natutuwa din ako dun sa mga rides nila kasi parang kakaiba eh.
Sobrang sarap ng niluto ni The Cycling Chef and ang sarap din ng kwentuhan. Nalimutan namin na may ride pa nga pala.
Time check, 12:28, and the PGG will be buduling us. Darling, sobrang cute nila.
Yeah, totoo. Totoo, Sansa.
Hindi, nawala lang yung L dyan eh. Nawala yung L sa dulo.
Nice to meet you po.
Ayan, so we're on the road with the Pampanga Gravel Grinders. Ang saya! Group ride!
Ngayon lang ulit kami nag-group ride, and these gentlemen of the Pampanga Gravel Grinders showed us the hidden gems of Pampanga.
Biggest McDo in Asia and capital town.
Capital Town.
Wow.
Ito-tour kami nila June sa isa sa mga churches dito. Nandito na kami. Siyempre, maximize na namin, di ba? So we're going to this sunken church later. Excited na ako makita kasi sobrang historical niya eh.
We stopped by at the Sunken Church of Pampanga, also known as the San Guillermo Parish Church of Bacolor. Nalubog to sa lahar nung Pinatubo eruption noong 1991. Yet, it wasn't completely destroyed as you can see. This church perfectly symbolizes how strong the people of Bacolor, Pampanga are.
Sa tagal-tagal naming dumadaan dito sa Pampanga, na-appreciate yung town dahil sa mga locals who are with us. We are in Guagua!
So, water break kami.
This is the first time we're passing through this road, and yun nga, if you are with locals, makikita mo talaga yung mga different stops.
Right now, we are biking like a local. Anong tawag dito sa road na to?
Sex mode!
Ito yung tinatawag na sex mode.
Sex mode? Sex mode?
Ano daw?
Isa pa!
Sex mode?
This is sex mode?
Yes, darlings, you heard that right. Ang tawag sa lugar na ito ay Sexmon nung Spanish period. But now, it's called Sasmuan.
Sa mga darlings namin sa bayan ng Sasmuan, comment down below and share nyo naman sa amin kung bakit nagkaroon ng transition from Sexmon to Sasmuan.
Napakaganda ng daan. Tapos napapalibutan ka ng maraming tubig.
Totoo! Ang refreshing! So, just a trivia, itong dinadaanan pala namin ngayon, ito yung dinaanan ng mga nag-death march. Imagine, nakailang daan na kami dito pero hindi namin na-realize ito pala yun. Thanks to June, our historian for the day. Ang dami ko natutunan. Para akong nasa history class, sobrang nare-refresh yung mga natutunan ko sa history. May wow moment kami pag may sinasabi siya sa amin. Ang galing, may kilabot factor. Parang na-imagine ko yung mga Pilipino nagmo-march dito from Bataan to San Fernando. Imagine how life was.
But wait, there's more! The Pampanga Gravel Grinders took us to a chill and cool spot where cyclists can relax and take a break for a long day's ride.
Biglang naging presko yung hangin.
Tapos, ang bilis ko kanina. So, na parang nabibingi yung ears ko sa wind. Tapos, nung nagmamagal ako,
Bilang may tweet, tweet, tweet.
oo.
Happy birthday, darling.
Thank you!
This-
It's not about material things, it's really about the experience shared with your loved one. Priceless! Tumatanda ka na talaga, nagiging tita. Itong mga moments na ito yung best gifts.
Ikaw lang yung tita. Hindi ito matatapatan ng 1 milyong sweldo. Hindi naman. Matatapatan niya. Welcome to Lubao Bamboo Hub and Eco Park. Pwede na kami mag-camp dito.
Pwede na nga!
Andyan! Andyan!
Wow, feeling ko nasa Arashiyama Grove Bamboo Park ako sa Japan.
And did you know, darlings, that bamboos act as natural outdoor air conditioning? So sa sobrang chill dito, napasarap din yung kwentuhan. Nakalimutan na namin, papadyak pala ulit dapat kami.
Nakamamatay na sarap.
Dito hits kanina. Sobrang sarap nilang kausap.
Kabiruan.
Oo. Kulang na lang maglapag kami ng Red Horse sa harap namin. At gagabihin kami dito sa Lubao.
Bamboo Eco Park.
Hub. Buba. Lasing ba tayo?
Napasarap yung tambay namin, but it's time to get back on our saddles at ihahatid na kami ng Pampanga Gravel Grinders where we'll be staying in for the night.
Anyway, here's the story. Lumagpas kami dun sa dapat na stopover na lodge namin kasi masyado kami nag-enjoy. So ngayon naghanap kami ng bagong lodging kasi malayo na yung nalagpas namin. Eto, iniisa-isa namin lahat ng mga kanto. Ang saya. Mas nalalaman ko kung ano yung nasa paligid ko. Hanggang Lubao lang dapat nila kami sasamahan. Pero umabot din kami hanggang Dinalupihan. Meron kami nakita, pero sarado or sobrang mahal. Siyempre ayaw namin gumastos sa mahal, di ba? Nagigiyaan na kami kila June. Grabe asikaso nila sa amin. Sobrang thank you talaga, guys.
Finally, nakahanap din kami ng lodging.
Nakahanap din sa wakas.
1K only.
Before we parted ways, we had a special dinner sa isang hole-in-the-wall Japanese restaurant called Maki Ramen.
Look at the presentation. Wow.
Diba?
Grabe.
It's time for us to say bye-bye to the triplets.
Triplets.
Quadruplets kanina wala na kasi. Oo. Salamat, guys.
Thank you so much.
More power to Pampanga Gravel Grinders.
Yes. EGG.
Yung may camping pa tayo.
Oo, may unfinished business pa tayo.
Bubudulin talaga tayo.
More budol sa kain.
Thank you so much, Pampanga Gravel Grinders, for biking with us all the way to Dinalupihan.
This is such an educational trip. Di lang kami nabusog sa food, pati sa only chikahan at tawanan. Thank you so much, guys. Iba talaga ang hospitality ng mga Kapampangan.
Bye! Bye, Jeno! Bye, Jude. Bawal umiyak! Till our next ride, Pampanga Gravel Grinders! Good night, darlings!
So, Daddy Darling is helping me. 5:02. So, we ran into a problem.
Pag-pump ko sa gulong ko, biglang nasira yung valve. Tubeless ako, kaya when I tried to reinflate my tire, hindi na lumapat yung gulong sa rim. Kailangan na ng air compressor. Unfortunately, sarado pa lahat ng vulcanizing shops by this time. Good thing may mga good Samaritans na nagsuggest sa amin na mag-jeep na lang to Olongapo dahil meron doong 24/7 vulcanizing shop.
Kuya! Hulog kayo ng langit! Grabe!
Sabi nga ni Victor Hugo, great perils have this beauty that they bring to life the fraternity of strangers.
Kuya, thank you!
Wala ka naman.
Kuya, ano pangalan mo? Hanapin kita.
Edgardo Tabilisma.
Hi, Sir Eduardo. You are heaven sent. We're so lucky to have met such a beautiful soul in Dinalupihan.
Makakarating kami sa Zambales. Tiwala lang.
After an hour, nakarating din kami sa Olongapo.
Nakarating na kami sa endpoint ng jeep stop. Pero si Kuya, nadalhin daw niya kami sa nearest vulcanizing shop. Bayad. Super. Nakakaiyak. You okay, darling? Okay? Sarap ng hangin, nakakaantok. Sa wakas may nakita rin kaming vulcanizing shop. Sobrang bait ni Kuya driver sa jeep. Hindi niya tinanggap yung tip namin. May mga mababait pa ring tao sa mundo. Huwag kayong mawala ng pag-asa. May something talaga sa north. Pag pumupunta kami dito, palaging may flat. Kung hindi man gulong ko, gulong ni Levi.
Okay, good morning. I was really looking forward to riding up to Olongapo. But it didn't happen. And I just feel disappointed sa sarili ko. Kasi alam kong paggagawan ko yun. I wasn't that prepared enough. At least I used na yung bike. And now it's time to move on. We'll go to Zambales and just have a good time. Diba, darling?
Yes, darling. I love you, darling. Glad you're safe, okay?
Yeah, I'm sorry. Anyway, itatawa ko na lang habang pumipedal. May ahon pa naman na onte na natira for us. Yung nga lang alam mo yung fulfillment na bike mo talaga. Okay, tara.
Tara, baba tayo, tas akyat tayo.
See you later, Olongapo. Tapos kami sa climbs and descents. Flats na from here.
Talaga?
Yeah. Aren't you happy?
Grabe, sarap maging exempted sa class.
We are now along Olongapo, Bugalyon Road. Dire-diretso lang hanggang makarating ng Cabangan, Zambales. Ngayon lang ulit kami nakapunta ng Zambales.
Yeah!
Uling punta namin, yung nag-Crystal Beach tayo.
Nag-surf tayo.
Cha. Yeah, oh. Nag-surf kami with Cathy and Cha. Miss you guys!
Zambales, here we go!
Ito na yung mga climb, hinanap ko eh. Ayan, biglang ahon.
Thank you, Lord!
I love you, darling! Wow, ang ganda, darling! Yay, we are approaching San Marcelino! Woo! I wanna dance in Zambales! I wanna feel the heat in Zambales! Well, eyes on the road, they say. Pero, paano mo hindi napakaganda. Sorry. Just can't get my eyes off them. Nalimutan ko na yung lungkot ko. Iba talaga ang nature, iba ang magandang tanawin. Malilimutan mo lahat ng disappointment mo sa life.
Grabe! Left and right, maganda. I can't explain it, but it's beautiful. Kaya parang painting. So that's God's painting.
It's almost 11 a.m. at tirik na tirik ang araw, so we decided to take a break and recharge.
So 20 kilometers before we arrive our destination, which is
Club Monet Beach Resort by Cocotel.
excited na kami. Ito na yung last stop namin. Medyo mainit na yung araw, tirik na, so kailangan talaga ng soft drinks sa buhay eh.
Inom lang kayo ng soft drinks pag alam nyong mababurn nyo.
Good tip. Wow! What a masterpiece! Sobrang artwork nun. Ang art. And then on your left side are the vast mountains. Green and brown. And yung field, oh, grabe. Drawing ko lang to nung bata ako. Imagine seeing it and feeling it in person. Thank you, San Narciso! We are now entering San Felipe. Nakakatuwa kahit isang mahabang stretch itong Zambales. Every barangay, you see the same mountain, but you see them on different vantage points, and you see na iba-iba yung beauty per side, per view. Grabe yung magic na nagagawa niya sa mata mo. Sa tignan, hindi nakakasawa.
What more can I ask for? A beautiful view with my beautiful darling. Saan pa ako? Happy birthday to me!
We are about to leave San Felipe, Zambales, and we are now entering Cabangan! Finally! Nandito na tayo! Oh my God! We're turning left in 500 meters! Meaning malapit na kami. Oh my God, darling! I can't believe this is happening!
We just entered Barangay Felmida Diaz.
So, the whole time, we were along the highway. First time namin dumaan sa maliit na road na nabago ako. Thank you! Ang ganda naman dito. Oh, wow. Oh, cute. Nice.
Oh my God.
Darlings, we're finally here at Club Monet
by
Cocotel. The chillest dog ever.
We have a good collection of paintings, as you can see. Great taste. And the rooms are named after Greek gods and goddesses.
can see, it's really quiet in here. Amin lang yung lugar. Feels like it's our property for 3 days and 2 nights. I really like the theme of this place.
We've never been to Greece, but thank you for giving a taste of Greece.
It's like the Greece vibe, but with the Filipino hospitality. Look at the dogs. Pag may mga ganyan dogs, plus na plus sa akin yan. Mukhang dito ultimate tambayan namin. And then pag bumaba yung araw, mukhang dun kami sa swing.
Oo nga.
And then sa gabi, papamassage kami dun.
Wow!
Oh my God.
Very convenient to come over here, lalo na for cyclists. Nakita niyo naman sa videos, di ba? We weren't stopped by any guards or there were no checkpoints. I think for as long as you know in yourself that you're vaccinated, you've accomplished all the requirements or you've submitted all the requirements of Visita Pass.
Club Monet Beach Resort by Cook Hotels is bikeable. From our place, that's in Pasig, 200 kilometers, let's say more 205, you know. So I suggest if you're planning to ride to Club Monet, have a stopover, matulog kayo somewhere, ihati nyo into 200s para ma-appreciate nyo yung cycling experience nyo to this place. Kasi kami, sobrang na-appreciate namin per block, per road na daanan, per scenery.
Kasi we still have energy to appreciate.
Ayan. Hi, ate!
Ay, sige po.
Ayan.
Wow!
Yay, nandiyan na yung dinner namin. Oh my God. So, those who are looking for a beach resort that is bikeable, a serene beach resort, na affordable, head on to Club Monet Beach Resort by Cook Hotel. Sulit.
I wouldn't spend my birthday any other way, darling.
Me too, it's my birthday.
Nakiki-birthday.
Thank you, Cook Hotel. Nasali ako sa pa-birthday. Bye, son!
Bye-bye, son.
Good morning, darlings. Good morning, birthday girl.
Good morning.
Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you.
Pretty mo naman ngayon.
Siyempre. Birthday.
Sexy naman ang darling.
Wow!
Yan naman ako.
Wow! Ganda!
Grabe naman ang birthday girl. Sexy.
It's such a beautiful day today. Thank you, Lord, for granting my wish na maganda yung weather. Sana nga ganito ka lang. Na medyo may cooling effect.
Siyempre, malakas ka kay Lord. Ano ba?
Oh, thank you Iya and Iyo of AgoSurf. Thank you for the matchy-matchy bikinis. Swerte namin kasi dalawa kami so we can mix and match. Thank you Cook Hotel and Club Monet. Ang saya pag beachfront lang yung hotel mo.
Sobrang coming ang chill ng vibe.
Sobrang chill!
And what a nice break from bikepacking. At dahil birthday ng darling Sarah,
It's Aro time!
I feel so alive!
okay, so meron kaming revelation. Darling, ano ba yun? Habang nagkakape kami ni Darling, we talked to the owner of this resort, si Miss Gail. Sobrang bait. Ayun, so nakachika namin siya. So doon lang namin nalaman na ang pangalan pala talaga ng resort nito, well, hindi siya Club Monet. Club
Monet!
Club Monet. Oh my God, the whole time Monet kami ng Monet. Sorry guys.
It's named after her late husband, Monet.
The resort name is Club Monet. Okay?
Club Monet.
And another correction. So, minsan okay talagang kakausapin mo muna yung mga tao. Hindi pala Kabangan. Magagalit sa atin mga taga Zambales. Sorry. Kung hindi,
Tantaranan, taran! Kabanggan!
so Kabanggan pala. Kabanggan, Zambales.
Sorry to all the citizens here in Kabanggan. Kabanggan po, Kabanggan.
Ay, ikain na nga lang natin yan.
So, we're about to leave Club Monet and pupunta kami sa Namnel Watershed.
We got the idea from Miss Gail, the owner of Club Monet Beachfront Resort. We were accompanied by her son, JP, and his friend, AJ.
Siyempre, basta mga ganyang suggestions, game kami. Wala pa kami sa destination, parang solved na kami. Palapit na kami ng palapit. Sobrang ganda naman dito. Oh my God!
What a rocky road. Happy birthday ba talaga? Lord! So dahil sa chika lang namin with Miss Gail of Monet Beach Resort, sinamahan kami ng anak niya, si PJ, together with his friend si AJ, dito sa Namnel River. Medyo madulas lang yung mga bato dito, so careful. Sobrang clear. I'm living the life! Grabe! Hindi namin alam may ganito sa Zambales.
Thank you, Lord! Yung mga locals daw, tumatalon dito sa punong to. Tapos meron dyan isang dark na circle. Sobrang malalim daw yung hole na yun. Hindi sila shoot. Naka 1 hour din kami dito. It's time for us to go back. And ayun, balik kami sa beach. Ang saya dito sa Zambales, grabe. Iba talaga pag may nakakausap kang local. Sobrang refreshing maligo sa ilog.
A perfect break from the heat of the beach. Now it's time to head back to have my birthday merienda.
After a super hot bike ride from Namnel Watershed, syempre, ano muna kami? Bakery Hits. Royal and... Hindi ko rin alam, Pande Orange.
Panda yellow.
Yeah. And
Pag alam niyo yung tawag dito, sabihin niyo sa amin. Favorite ko to. Yung red, alam ko, yung Panda Regs.
Pande Regs. Syempre, ako naman, Pande Coco and... Mawala ba sa buhay ko to? Monay!
Sarap! So, it's already 5:30 p.m. Malapit na mag-sunset. Bigla akong naging malungkot. Kasi bukas, alis na kami and we're going back to Metro Manila.
I mean, mamimiss ko yung place na to kasi sa experience ko, every time we stay in a property for 3 days, 2 nights, I get attached to the people, to the place, to the community we called home for the past 2 nights.
komportable ka sa kung nasan ka, biglang kailangan mo umalis at hindi mo alam kung makakabalik ka pa ulit. You really fall in love with the places that you go to, and it's really heartbreaking to leave them.
Lalo na when you form bonds with the owner, yung...
And you feel like you're part of the family. Ayan,
Kasi
it's
dito
sad.
sa Club Monet, they make you feel that you're welcome to enter their home. The place they call home.
Hindi man namin pinapakita sa inyo yung relationship namin with the owners and yung family. Pero ang masasabi ko lang talaga, sobrang winelcome nila kami at alam mo yun, talagang nakabond namin sila. Parang na-feel namin ang tagal na namin dito. Ganun.
I'm at a loss of words kasi sobrang touch ako kasi birthday ko pa. So, and thank you darling for celebrating this with me.
Thank you, darling. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, Cocotel. So, yun nga, apart from this or the luxury or the comforts that you've given us, thank you for letting us experience this. So, memorable day ko pa.
Buti na lang kasama ko si Darling. Yan. Darling is my home. So, wherever she is, that's my home. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Tommy.
Once again, thank you to our darlings, Cocotel and
Club Monet. Thank you so much. Can't thank you enough.
Time check, it's 4:53. And again, this is the saddest part whenever we go on bike tours, leaving the place. Excellent quality of sleep after 2 nights of sleeping in here. Okay, pabalik na kami dun sa normal naming bed sa Pasig. So, let's go!
sadly hindi kami makakapagpaalam sa mga owners and sa crew. Till we meet again, guys.
Till we meet again, Club Monet.
So, nandito na kami pa-exit sa Olongapo. So, this is a 20-kilometer climb. Ito yung na-miss namin last time. May meeting ang Darling. As usual, umuulan. Favorite talaga kami ng ulan eh. Ang init-init kanina and kahapon and the other day. Pero pag pauwi talaga dito sa north, inuulan talaga kami. Pero at least malamig. Okay ka pa? We are on our 307-kilometer mark and we still have 110 kilometers to go. Darling! We are now in EDSA. Hindi na kami nakapag-take ng video kasi napakita na namin sa inyo yung way, so hindi namin pinakita this time. But now, ito update lang. And it's 6 p.m. Medyo na-delay kami kasi nag-work pa in the middle of the ride. Humihinto kami every now and then kasi may mga meetings. Pero, ayan, nakauwi. Darlings,
Oh my God!
we are finally home.
We are!
So, total for the whole trip is 425 kilometers. And yun today, 203. Woo! What a ride!
Happy birthday to me!
Happy birthday, darling. And once again, thank you PGG. Thank you Club Monet. Thank you Cocotel. Thank you, darlings, for being there. Love you guys.
Woo!
Okay.
Always remember!
Enjoy the ride. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
This trip is not just a mere celebration of my birthday. It is a celebration of life, of living, of breathing, of being free. And I wouldn't have it any other way. And, as cheesy as it may sound, my darling is my home.
Oh, ano ba yan? Ba't ako kinilig? So until next time, darlings, always remember, enjoy the ride!